Exposing the magic in Karachi's night market fish fry. Ever wondered what makes this place so special? Let's find out. Picture this, a bustling night market in Karachi. The air is filled with the irresistible aroma of freshly fried fish. Our journey begins with the frying process. Watch as the cooks expertly dip fillets into bubbling oil, transforming them into golden brown delights. The sizzle is music to our ears. Next up, the grilling station. Here, the fish is basted with secret sauces, creating a mouth-watering glaze. Just look at that smoky goodness. It's like a symphony of flavors right before your eyes. But it doesn't stop there. The preparation and serving are a sight to behold. These cooks are lightning fast, churning out plate after plate of fishy perfection. And the portions? Enormous! Enough to satisfy even the heartiest appetite. Let's not forget the customers. Their smiles say it all. From friendly banter with the staff to eagerly grabbing their orders, it's clear this place is a local favorite. Everyone's here for one thing, the best fish in town. And now the grand finale. Behold, the finished product. Perfectly fried, expertly grilled, and absolutely irresistible. If your mouth isn't watering by now, you might need to check your taste buds. So, next time you're in Karachi, don't miss out on this sizzling spectacle. Follow us for more foodie adventures and hit that like and subscribe button. Until next time, happy munching!